Hello and welcome to a guided meditation. Tonight's meditation is focused on feeling powerful, what you're passionate about, and feeling productive. You may close your eyes so that we can get started. Make sure that you are in a safe space that is going to be conducive to the meditation. Take a deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Take a deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. I want you to picture the things that you are passionate about. The things that inspire you. The things that motivate you. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. I want you to picture engaging with the things that you are passionate about. I want you to picture yourself as you engage in those activities. Watch the concentration on your face turn to a smile as you engage with the things you are passionate about, as you see yourself being inspired and motivated. Whatever it is you're passionate about, there is a chance, there's something there that you've had to learn from. A moment that made you stop, pause, and grow. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. As you picture yourself engaging in the things you are passionate about, engaging in the things that motivate and inspire you, watching yourself turn concentration into joy, I want you to feel powerful. Feel and embrace the confidence that comes from this place of learning. Take your passion, your inspirations, and allow that motivation to bring joy. And in that joy, feel confident and feel powerful. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Now I want you to visualize whatever it is you are passionate about, what has been inspiring and motivating you, what has been taking and turning challenge into joy, what has made you powerful. And I want you to see how it affects those around you. How can you use it to better your community? How can you use it to better yourself? How can you use it to grow? Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Using our passions to aid ourselves and to better our community, to strengthen our relationships, enables us to access the highest amount of productivity, where our energy is sustained not just by ourselves alone, but by our community, our environment, all collectively, fueled by passion, turning it into a powerful energy of productivity. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. breath. Hold that breath. And release. As you visualize yourself engaging with your passion, making yourself stronger and more powerful, you have an inner wisdom. And if you ask that inner wisdom to guide you, you will increase your passion, your ability to go after what you are passionate about. You'll increase your inner power and feel more powerful in the choices you make. You'll increase your productivity and your connection to your community and your environment. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. You may open your eyes. Each of us has a unique set of inspirations. And each of us has the potential to become incredibly powerful beings. It is up to us to turn the things we are passionate about into fuel to bring joy, connection, and productivity to our communities and our environments. But we have to make the choice to be willing to listen to our inner voice and put in the hard work to make sure that our passions are bettering our mind, our body, and the spirit of ourselves and those around us. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release.